planned to make curry out of chicken meatballs. I bought these chicken meatballs from Woolworths supermarket. So this is 20 pack. I'm actually trying to make with 2 packs so that it's enough for everyone living in this house. So very easy and simple. For me there are 2 ways to cook the chicken meatballs. One is to sear them in the pan, in a hot pan with some oil, and another one is to cook these in the oven, which we normally have. Everyone has an oven at home, so we can. Today I'm going to cook these in an oven. So my oven is already in preheat at around 200 degrees. So I'll actually cook this in 175 to 180 for around 20-25 minutes, and until then we'll prepare our base for the curry. Let's start doing it.
Okay, enough chit chat.
Alright, so I've got a baking tray, got some baking paper on it, and I'm cooking 2 packets of chicken meatballs. Taking them out. Make them flat and even. And onto the oven for like 20 minutes, 15-20 minutes. Let's see, and keep checking them. "15 minutes timer." Alright, until our chicken meatballs cook, we're actually making a base for the curry. So in a hot pot, make it hot in a induction. I've got induction, right? So it's hot now. Some oil. We'll actually make a tomato base. When the oil gets hot, add onion in that. Add some salt to spread the onions easily. Along with the onion, add some ginger and garlic paste. I'm adding 2 spoons of garlic and around 1 spoon of ginger. And a few green chilies. around 1 tablespoon of cumin, around 1.5 tablespoon of coriander.
Now the onion is soft, so we'll add tomatoes. I'm adding 3 tomatoes. A bit more salt to cook the tomatoes quickly.
For the tomatoes to cook quicker, I'm actually closing the lid for it to steam inside and cook quickly. Alright, our curry base is almost ready. This is actually a tomato base with some spices. So after this, our chicken meatballs are almost ready. So when they're ready, they'll directly go into here. Alright, it's been around 25 minutes. Let's check our meatballs. They seem... Look at these. They smell so good. Alright, so as you know, we've got our curry base ready. Now after this will directly go into the base. Alright, so these are our meatballs. They're ready. They're cooked already, so they'll actually be mixed into the base which we have just made. Let's just add some salt. And now I'm adding some water into it. So at the end, to finish, I'm adding around 1 spoon of curry powder. Alright, this is it. Our chicken meatballs curry is ready. To make it look more colorful, we can also add frozen peas and corns in this, but today I just made it very simple with almost everything we have at home. All you need to is buy the chicken meatballs. You can also make chicken meatballs at home, which is very easy. If you guys want, I can also make a video for chicken meatballs at home that's made up with chicken mince. Let me know in the comments if you want me to make chicken meatballs. at home. I'm so full right now, so I just don't want to have it with rice. So this is meatballs curry. Looks good, colorful, not colorful though. So good, so good. Hot. Alright, thank you so much for watching us, staying with us till now, and keep watching us. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe, and stay safe. I'll see you in the next video.